What if I told you one small ginger root from your kitchen could give you an endless supply of fresh ginger for years without buying it again? Most people think growing ginger is complicated, slow, or only for expert gardeners. But the truth is, ginger is one of the easiest plants to grow at home. You don't need a big garden, special tools, or even experience. Just one store-bought ginger root can turn into a continuous harvest. In this complete step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to choose the right ginger, plant it the lazy way, grow it faster, and harvest it again and again. I'll also share the common mistake that stops most people from getting a big harvest. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow unlimited ginger from start to harvest. Let's begin. Choosing the right ginger root. Growing unlimited ginger begins with choosing the right ginger root. This step is simple but extremely important because healthy ginger produces stronger plants and bigger harvests. The best part is that you can grow ginger using a piece from your kitchen or grocery store. When selecting ginger, look for fresh, firm, and thick pieces with visible buds or small growing points. These buds are where new shoots develop. Avoid ginger that looks dry, wrinkled, soft, or moldy because it may not grow properly or may take much longer to sprout. If your ginger piece is large, you can divide it into smaller sections. Each section should have at least 1 or 2 buds. After cutting, allow the pieces to dry for about 24 hours. This forms a protective layer over the cut area and prevents rotting after planting. Organic ginger is often a better choice because it is usually not treated with chemicals that slow sprouting. Treated ginger may still grow, but the process can be slower. Choosing a healthy root gives your plant a strong start. Strong roots grow faster, resist disease better, and produce more ginger underground. Many people ignore this step and wonder why their ginger fails to grow well. A good harvest always begins with a good start. Choosing the right ginger root sets the foundation for continuous production and long-term success. Pre-sprouting for faster and stronger growth. Pre-sprouting ginger is a powerful step that most beginners skip, but it can greatly increase your success and speed up growth. Instead of planting the ginger directly into soil, you first allow it to develop small shoots. To pre-sprout ginger, place the pieces in a warm and bright place, but keep them away from direct sunlight. You can place them on a tray or wrap them in a slightly damp paper towel. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you will notice small green shoots forming from the buds. This step confirms that your ginger is alive and ready to grow. It also reduces the risk of planting inactive or weak roots. Pre-sprouted ginger grows faster because it has already started developing. Temperature plays an important role in this stage. Ginger is a tropical plant that loves warmth and humidity. Keeping it in a warm environment helps activate growth naturally. Pre-sprouting also gives you a clear idea of which pieces are healthiest. Only strong pieces should be planted for best results. Although this step requires a little patience, it saves time later by ensuring quick and successful growth. Plants that start strong develop better roots and produce larger harvests. Taking time to pre-sprout your ginger is a small effort that leads to bigger and faster results. Preparing soil the easy way. Ginger grows underground, so soil preparation plays a major role in its development. The good news is that preparing soil does not require heavy digging or hard work. Ginger prefers loose, rich, and well-draining soil. Start by mixing garden soil with compost or aged manure. This improves soil fertility and makes it soft enough for roots to expand easily. Loose soil allows ginger rhizomes to grow bigger and healthier. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, add sand, cocoa peat, or organic matter to improve drainage. Ginger does not like waterlogged soil because excess moisture can cause root rot. You can also grow ginger successfully in containers using potting mix and compost. Containers help control soil quality and moisture, making them ideal for beginners. The soil should hold moisture but not remain wet. Balanced moisture keeps roots healthy and supports steady growth. Healthy soil provides essential nutrients and creates the right environment for root development. When soil is rich and soft, the plant spends less energy struggling and more energy producing large ginger roots. Good soil preparation ensures faster growth, stronger plants, and better harvests. Investing effort in soil at the beginning makes the rest of the growing process easier. Planting ginger correctly ensures healthy growth and maximum production. The process is simple, but proper placement makes a big difference in the final harvest. Choose a wide pot or garden bed filled with prepared soil. Ginger grows sideways, so wider containers are better than deep ones. Place the ginger piece horizontally in the soil with the buds facing upward. Cover it with about 1 to 2 inches of soil. Avoid planting too deep because ginger grows near the surface. After planting, water lightly to settle the soil around the root. Keep enough space between pieces because ginger spreads as it grows. Within a few weeks, green shoots will emerge from the soil. This is a sign that your plant is developing properly. Proper planting depth, spacing, and placement help the plant establish strong roots. When ginger has enough space and correct positioning, it grows faster and produces larger rhizomes. Many beginners plant ginger too deep or overcrowd plants, which reduces production. Simple attention during planting prevents these problems. Correct planting leads to strong growth and long-term harvest success. Watering and care for strong plants. Ginger loves moisture but does not like too much water. Keep the soil slightly moist, not wet. Water when the topsoil feels dry. Overwatering causes root rot while dry soil stops growth. Balanced moisture keeps the plant healthy. Ginger also prefers warmth and partial shade. Avoid strong sunlight because it can damage leaves. Indoor spaces or shaded gardens work well. Remove weeds and keep soil loose. Adding mulch helps retain moisture and reduces watering needs. Simple care keeps the plant growing steadily and producing strong roots. Natural feeding for bigger ginger needs nutrients for continuous growth, but natural fertilizers work best. Add compost every few weeks to supply essential nutrients. Liquid compost or organic fertilizer boosts growth speed. Banana peel compost adds potassium, which helps root development. Avoid excessive chemical fertilizers because they harm soil health. Ginger is a heavy feeder, so regular natural feeding increases production and improves harvest size. Feed naturally for better long-term results.